Okay, I'm sure I'm going to get lots of questions about what this motorcycle is, so I'll put all the information down in the description on what it is, where I bought it, what it cost, websites, phone numbers, contact people, that type of thing. This is actually a reproduction of a Honda Trail 70. I bought this online because I couldn't find any shops around that sell them, and I wanted to buy it from a brick and mortar store. So all that information will be in the description. It's actually called an Ice Bear, and I took the Ice Bear logo off of it and put that Honda logo on it. So if you have questions about the bike, how much it costs, where to get one, it'll be in the description. But I built this cart for it with 4 casters on it, so in the winter, if I need to move it out of the corner so I can get at the ladders or equipment. Got 4 tie downs on it. Probably don't need 4 tie downs, but it came as a set of 4. But just works real good for moving the thing around in the winter. And one other thing I think I'm going to do before I put it away, this bike is licensed and titled for the road. And one of the things I thought I might do with it is if I ever end up taking the car somewhere to get it serviced and no one can come pick me up, was building a apparatus to go in my trailer hitch that I could put it in there when I get to the auto shop, take it off. And so I think I'm going to use this and end up welding down on the bottom just a post that comes out that goes into my trailer hitch. And then I'll be able to load the thing on there and carry it on the back of the car if I ever need to, or if I want to take it somewhere. This thing will go down the highway once you're done with the break-in period, 35, 40 miles an hour. And like I said, it is street legal. But I think I'm going to take that carrier and modify it to where I can put it on the back of the car in the trailer hitch. And the other nice thing, try and build all my stuff because storage is very, very important to me. So this thing is only like 6 inches thick, so it'll sit over in the corner, hang on the wall, something like that in the off season. But worked out real well. I looked at the ones at Harbor Freight. They were made more for full-size motorcycles. The lady at the gas pump asked me, is that a motorcycle or a moped or a mini bike? And I said, yes, it is. It's all those things. But it's a nice little bike. I weigh 200 pounds. This has a 125cc engine on it rather than the 70cc that the little Honda had. It's also got electric start. It's a 2020 model. Got it last year. And like I say, lights, horn, electric start, licensed and plated for the road. So it's a cool little bike. Grandson and I, he weighs about 100 pounds and it runs the 2 of us around. We've got a field that we go to about a mile from home that he can ride it in. So it's a neat little bike. But this carrier just worked out great. It's kind of a tight spot back there when I've got the car in here. And it was kind of a pain to roll the bike away from the wall so I could get it stuff. So this worked out good. I had all the steel on hand, just had to go buy the casters. So I did want to share. Thank you.